All right, so this is pretty much how you count on a Pennsylvania tabletop scale to a remote, and how to transfer. So you're in your 3 decimals, that's the top base. If you press this key here, base 1, you press it, it transfers it down to the bottom base. So let's say if you're gonna use a scoop, you put the scoop on, you tear it out, right? You hit sample set, it asks for add 10. If you hit sample set again, it will go 20, 50, 100. If you have, let's say, one bulky piece and you don't need a scoop and you just want to count one piece, then all you do is press 1 and then place the piece right on there and let it go. It'll automatically count it. But let's say add 10, I'm gonna use this right here. You pretty much put all your weight in at the same time and it counts it automatically. Right? At this point, if you have, let's say, a bin or a box that you need to place on here empty before you start counting your pieces, you put it on, you hit this key here, base 1, brings it down to the bottom. Like I said, if you have a box on top of there, then at that point, just tear it off. Okay, and once you do that and you start adding your pieces, it'll start counting. See, I'll put the weight on. See? And that's how you pretty much count from the top scale to the bottom scale. Now, if you're gonna count different pieces, basically to get out of count mode, all you gotta do is press the units key. 1 decimal means you're down here. Hit base 1, and you're back on top. And that's pretty much how you count on a Pennsylvania 7600 connected to a remote base.